Hi everyone, good evening and welcome to the next class. Today we're going to discuss the rest of the part of the topic which we were discussing about string, right? So the topic which we were discussing was quite, what was quite confusing, and we saw a couple of commands where one specific information was going to be copied into another one, and we were seeing that like whether to how to copy, how to merge, how to concat, and how to separate them as well, right? So somewhere we were using pointers, somewhere we were using arrays. So arrays are actually solving our great purpose. So but we remember that we have to actually declare a particular size of a string before declaring that array, right? So and we understood one more important point is, so suppose the size of or length of any string is 10, then we need to declare at least one more space for completing the string part, right? Because we have the end of a string as null, right? And that null is a kind of character, so it requires a space to get adjusted, right? So we require at least 11 number of spaces for declaring an array, right? Before pointing out a particular string inside. Okay, so let us go and discuss about the rest of the part, and today only we'll discuss about the project, right? I hope we'll be able to discuss about it, and we'll have the time, enough time to discuss related to the project. Tomorrow we'll start working on them. Okay, so if you have any question related to the last discussion, please ask. Meanwhile, let me share my screen now. So this is the topic, and we discussed few of the commands. We went through using strcat, str and cat for concatenating strings, or two strings basically, right? To copy a string from one to another, checking out the length, comparison of two strings. If both are same, the result will be zero. If both are not same, then result could be either positive or negative. strcmpi, a specific length if you want to just compare till ith order, ith index, you want to compare this string, right? Suppose one the first string is hello, and you want to just check it for three letters, HEL only, right? If you want to compare these three letters only, so you can give a particular number as the third argument, right? Then strchr, this was a specific command which we have used for a specific purpose, where if dot is there in any string, at the rate is there in any string, so that can be actually counted as, and rest of the part of that particular string can be utilized for different purpose, right? And then str rchr, str, where if instead of a character like dot, we want to just put, or we want to uh, separate a specific section, and that is a part of string. Like suppose we had like we were taking an example for my email id. It was saw.techiness@gmail.com, right? So we were checking out what is after gmail, right? So if you have a string and you want to check out the rest of the part of this email id after gmail, then whether it is on .com or .in .it .ai, whatever is the subdomain do we have available, or domain do we have available, we can check out with such kind of command, right? And then we have some more commands to go ahead, and those are strdup, or strdup, or strr reverse, str set, strtok, right? So let us understand about these four, right? If you have any doubt related to these commands, please let me know. Have you practiced them, and did you find some problem in these commands? Is it possible to write a program for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in a single program? Yes, why not? We did that as well, I guess, if you remember. You can when it is possible to work on one of the great project like banking system, right? ATM machines, library management systems, all such projects where database on the ground level is going to be handled and security is concerned with such a great database and deal. If you have, if it is possible to manage those kind of project with C programming, right? So it's easy to possible, and it's very easy to make calculator just while going with these four operations. Even scientific calculator is also possible. Ashwani, we can go for implementation of such project, no issues in that, right? Your limitation will only be the imagination, what you can imagine, the logics. If you find your logics are weak, right? If you think like your energy is weak, maybe your interest is losing, then only there is a limit. Otherwise there is no limit of implementation of any logic, any method of implementation for any project with C programming. It's a ground level programming basically, right? Any question, anyone, for these commands? Otherwise, we'll go ahead for implementation of these four commands, rest of the commands, right? I'm sure these commands will help you understanding the good part of. Let me start both JDoodle as well as online GDB. Any question, anyone? No? Okay. So let us understand about. I have opened both because somewhere if the result will not be coming properly in one, we can go on the second one. Yeah. So let me remove this. Let me put this for editor. So this is our command str dup up, right? So the meaning of this command is str dup is for making a duplicate of any string, making a duplicate of any string. So what do you mean by this? It's just like your copy command, right? strcpy command. So if you have a variable where you have stored any data, hello, how are you? If you want to make any duplicate of this thing in any other variable, right? So you can have any pointer. Suppose you have a pointer like b, and you want to copy the addresses of this entire data in this variable, right? So this could be possible using str dup, right? In this command we need to pass both the things. One is to be given inside this bracket as an argument, and the return of this command would be your resultant, and the resultant is b. Okay, so let us see how to implement this one. I have either JDoodle or anything. Let me have here a variable char a of 100 is equal to double quotes, suppose a data hello, how are you, right? These commands are very important for your project point of view. Please try to understand them, right? So percentile s. Now let me have a variable called char pointer b. B is equal to str dup, right? Okay. If b is written, if b is written, then you will get the entire data in this variable, right? We'll get the entire data in this variable. Similar to this command, we have another command also. We'll try to see that command as well. In this command, entire data from this string is going to be copied in B. And let us try to run this code here. Incomplete implicit function, somewhere did I do the mistake? Did I do the mistake? Okay, yeah, so we need to add this line as well, right? Include string dot h, because without this header file, how can we run this code? How can we run this command, right? So if you want to run any string oriented commands, please try to include that header file as well. If we want to run any mathematic command, right, mathematical formula, any scientific command like sine, cosine, all these things, we need to include math.h. If related to calendar, time, and all these things, if you want to run, so you need to include time.h, right? So we have multiple header files, and in this course itself, we'll be understanding how to prepare our own algorithm on header files also, not algorithm, right? Every single logic to solve any specific set of problems is called as algorithm, right? Algorithm is such a, a common generic method which solves similar types of issues, which can be applied to many similar issues, similar use cases, right? That is called as, that method, that logic is called as algorithm. So algorithm is nothing, something hypothetical or something big thing, right? It's just a logic, right? Your logic is solving a great purpose in solving number of applications or number of problems, a number of use cases, then it is called as algorithm, and you can develop n number of algorithm by yourself, right? It depends upon how good you are into making good logics. And every year there are many algorithms which are going to be introduced, right, for either machine learning, artificial intelligence, for any specific problem to solve in terms of coding, in dynamic coding also. Because every year we used to find new problems which were not available earlier. Like suppose we have got huge amount of data. Now the problem occurred is, if you'll get thousands of or millions of TBs of data, right, or petabyte of data, where you will store that? What will be the accuracy? What if in this speed per day you will get TBs of data? Where you will store that, right? How will you process that? How will you actually analyze the data properly, right? So n number of problems are getting generated every day, and that's the reason we need to find some smartest way to solve those things. And that is the reason new algorithms are going to be found out. So there is no hard and fast. The algorithm which are already predefined will be used only, right? You can prepare your own new methods as well, right? So this string is going to be copied and copied into variable B, right? So now you can do anything, whatever you want to do through this variable B, right? We have one more command, that is str and dup. And means number of letters you want to just copy into. So if you want just only 5 letters to be copied into B, and you want to just make a duplicate of 5 letters of this A and put that into B variable, so this is how you can do it. So we have two commands. However, commands are quite same, but purpose has got a different one. So we've got hello here, right? And it's just possible because of this single command. Now you can go for a specific area, right? You can go for starting 10 letters, like that. I hope you have understood the meaning of this command. Now let's go for strrev. I believe this is very easy and important one you can understand. If you want to make the reverse order of this entire string, means it should start from the last one, which is question mark, then U O Y space E R A, like that, right? So we have a command. Let me create another variable, char c, and let me have that as of 100 locations or 100 memory areas. I want to put c is equal to strrev, right? strrev, we want to make a reverse order. Printf percentile s, comma, we should use some backslash n as well for new line, and then c, right? Let us run this code. Something rev, what happened? Expression is wrong. strrev, something is wrong here. Any spelling mistake or so? Every time I run a code and I get an answer or such kind of errors, any specific spelling mistakes? Okay, let me put, instead of this, let me put the entire thing here, and let us not copy it first. We don't know what could be the answer in reverse. Again, undefined reference to strrev. Let me go back to this thing, and the command is strrev. strrev. Just a second. Do we need to put one more? No, again the same thing. Here is the same thing, right? So okay, so instead of A, we let us try it for B, because reverse means it will reverse the address only instead of reversing the entire data. Let us check about it. Again the same issue. Undefined reference to SREV. Undefined reference means either it is not available, this command is not available. Let me check it for double R. REV. Again.
सर रिटर्न जीरो नहीं है.
हाँ, रिटर्न जीरो नहीं है. उसका मतलब फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला अभी. रिजल्ट इज, सी द एरर इज इन दिस लाइन ओनली, strrev, right? strrev is the issue.
सर जीटीबी में ट्राई कर लो ना.
रोज का यही हो गया नहीं. So let me copy this and
देखो कभी कभी कंपाइलर भी प्रॉब्लम दे देता है ना.
correct. It happens. Compiler, see if your logics are correct. See here the warning is coming up. Undefined, same error is also coming up. Undefined reference to strrev. Same issue with this as well.
सर बी के आगे वो लगाएंगे एस्टेरिस्क.
No, it tells, ये इसका कहने का पर्पस है, ये तो वार्निंग आ गया ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन इसका कहने का पर्पस है कि अनडिफाइंड रेफरेंस है, मतलब कि ये कमांड ही नहीं है, कोई ऐसी कमांड ही नहीं होती है strrev. ठीक है, but this was very important. If it is not a command, then how to use it, how to go for it. The compiler is not supporting this command, and then let me put nothing like this. Okay. Okay, so let us move further for one more command. I'll check it on and let you know on which compiler, on which editor it will
हेलो
work
सर.
on. हाँ हाँ हाँ.
सर इसमें आप जो 11वीं लाइन में str reb ब्रैकेट में care asterisk a करके देखना है एक बार.
इससे क्या होगा?
नहीं सर, मैंने देखा था तो उसमें इस टाइप का प्रोटोटाइप भी आ रहा था, तो मैं इसको ट्राई कर लेते हैं अभी तो.
ऑलरेडी ये एक स्ट्रिंग है, तो इसको रिवर्स करने का पर्पस है दैट सेट, और वो कर नहीं रहा है. तो ये बता रहा है कि ऐसी कोई कमांड ही नहीं है, इसका कोई रेफरेंस नहीं है ना. तो कुछ और इशू है, देखते हैं इसको. मैं अभी के लिए कमेंट कर देता हूँ. आई विल अपडेट यू अबाउट कि कैसे करना चाहिए इसको. ठीक है, str.set का देखते हैं एक बार. str.set is very important for password kind of thing. Remember मैंने एग्जांपल भी दिया था. I told this example earlier when I was talking about pin, right? str.set के अंदर you need to give parameters कि कौन सा कैरेक्टर कैसे आपको चेंज करना है. So your resultant string is C, and or I would say you can go for direct A, and the character that you want to change. So character which you want to change is asterisk, suppose, right? A specific asterisk you want to change. Let us see how does it work. Instead of capital str set, it's a small one. Every function is in small only. So what is A? Again, undefined reference to this str set. Should I put capital one? Let me check it. No. It's telling this str-sep is a command. Did you mean str-sep? No, we mean str-set only. So all three commands are not working. तुषार strreva. हाँ तो किया हुआ है ना, ये तो काम नहीं कर रहा ना. क्यों तुषार? कौन से एडिटर पे चल रहा है? सब लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं क्या पैरेलली? Otherwise I need to go for installing some IDs and something like that, right? So let us go and find out one more command, strnset, right? strnset कि आपको कौन सी लोकेशन पे स्टार पुट करना है या कितनी नंबर ऑफ लोकेशंस पे स्टार पुट करना है. Suppose that is 3 locations. 3 location means HEL. These 3 locations would be converted into star, right? So let me run this, whether this command works for us. No, it's, oh, this should be S, no, not this
Sir?
one. 1 second, yes. हाँ,
सर MinGW पे चल गया सर, ये strreb वाला.
किस पे?
MinGW पे VS कोड.
तो सेपरेट. अच्छा ठीक है. तो सब लोगों के पास I need to get your confirmation that how many of you are working on a software basically instead of online editors, and try to check this code in your editor once. Just we need to check these commands. Online editor. Okay, it works for VS Code. Perfect. ठीक है, इसको मैं एक stack point बना के कि that this thing we need to check on any specific editor. Many of you are working on online editors only, so please try to make it a stack, right? Stack means please put these topics somewhere in your notebook. We'll try to work on any specific editor, like Vaibhav is told about VS Code. So with online you may stuck somewhere like that, like we have stuck here, right? So online is somewhat good for 90% application, 90% criterias. Somewhere it works, somewhere it can stuck also, because I'm working on internet speed and many other parameters and conditions on website works in a wrong way. Okay, so let me put this strtok also. Strtok, it works. It works to check, to split any specific area, right? If you want to split some specific area based on space, based on, means it's like a splitting function. strtok, let me make this thing again. strtok is for print f double quotes s comma strtok within bracket, and here it is a comma based on, suppose, a space. I want to split that, right? So it should run and it should give me the result. Yeah, again, here makes pointer from integer without a cast. So it's a warning. It's a warning. We need to limit for a specific letter, and it returns something as well. So instead of a, if it's a pointer, let me check that as well for pointer. No, it works for the same thing. So we got error in these three commands. However, this strdup or strndup works well for us. This was for copying or making a duplicate of any string. So these three commands must be working for you for offline editors, any software. I'm sure about it. This should be working because the purpose of these three commands are really, really big. For any project, I'm sure you're gonna use these three commands. You need to work on reversing. You're gonna work on making a specific set of, or making the splitting between the letters, a number of other activities, right? So suppose we're gonna work on any online management, right? Database management, and where your data is going to be fed on this application, which will design in C programming, right? And huge data is coming in which you have to split the characters or words separately, right? So yes, these three commands are very important for us, right? So let me check this on online GDB here as well, whether how does it work, works well or not. Yeah, so it works. For B, let me put A here. Segmentation fault. So can we put here a specific command, hello or learn and build? Instead of this, let me put double quote
Sir?
here. Yes, yes, yes.
ये str and est से अपन
str
कितने जो है ना ये str and एक मिनट रुकिए str and set इसमें अपन जितने लेटर डालेंगे अपने 3 लेटर भिजवा रहे हैं तो शुरू के 3 लेटर में एस्टेरिक आ जाएगा जी मतलब हुआ ना इसका
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
जी सर जी तुरंत कर गया फिर
वर्क कर रहा है VS कोड पे।
हाँ
परफेक्ट है। तो जैसे आपको कहीं पासवर्ड अगर एंटर किया जा रहा है 1 by 1 एंड यू वांट टू चेंज दैट लेटर, राइट, you are entering A, right, you are entering your name, but it should be actually converted into stars, right? So it has a great purpose. जहां आपको अपने डेटा को कहीं एनकोड करना है या इनक्रिप्ट करना है, so for that purpose we can use it, right? Instead of it's not about only asterisks. You can change one letter into another letter, right? The purpose of changing your actual letter into another one, and how you're changing it, that can be depending upon this command, right? So suppose your data is hello, right? This hello, I want to convert it into, I want to encrypt it, right? So instead of H, I would just place I. The next letter of each letter will be placed. Instead of E, F will be placed, right? Instead of L, M will be placed. Likewise for O. So if you have done this specific small change, I'm sure you can say this somewhere, you have encrypted your actual data with the another one, and this str set helps you to do this, changing one letter into another one. Okay, so let me check. Yeah, it's working, but segmentation error, something is being thrown. Okay, so str, let me just put double quotes here, double slash here, not quotes, I hope. Segmentation fault, and this comes whenever it's not working for, and let me put this, if this is not possible. Yeah, so this is making a problem in online editor. Vaibhav, please check it if it is working for you.
हेलो
हेलो
सर, वो स्टार वाला आप बताया थे, में स्टार लग जाएगा तो उसके बाद बंद होगा।
आवाज नहीं आ रही है अबे।
सर जो स्टार वाला बता रहे थे ना आप, स्टार लग जाएगा वर्ड्स के बाद, वो
हाँ
वाला बता दो, वो कैसे बताएंगे?
हाँ। तो जैसे हमने लिखा, सपोज वी हैव string A of 100 is equal to hello Abhay, right? And I want to change these 3 letters to star, right? So str and set will take your input, then make a star of starting 3 letters, right? This will be the command. Is that okay? And it will return your data. Suppose you will store it into B, so your B will become star 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 LO space Abhay. Is that okay? Is command say, right? Through this command, you can convert, you can replace actually a specific letter number of letters into any other different letter one, and that letter should be here. The replacement, whatever you want, in place of any specific length of array, then you can put this command to replace them. Is that okay?
Yes sir.
सर
वो
एस
बोलो।
टी आर टी ओ के तो काम नहीं कर रहा, मतलब कुछ आई था, उसका प्रिंट नहीं हो रहा, ना कोई फॉल्ट आ रहा, ना कोई वार्निंग आ रही, ना कुछ आ रहा।
ओके, सो कुछ भी रिजल्ट नहीं है अभी तक तुम्हारे पास ने?
यस सर, एक बार अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करूं क्या मैं? आप बोलें तो
क्या?
अगर आप परमिशन दे तो अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करके बता दूंगा आपको, मैं आप चेक
let
कर
me
लें कोई
let me
गलती हो
let
तो
me
उसमें।
let me check that once. So Vaibhav, where are you? Yes, more. Your connection is getting fluctuated maybe. Okay, I made you a co-host. Now you can share your screen. Yes, visible now. It's visible. Perfect. So STR-T-OK is not giving any result. For the first one, it is Geek for Geek. You are working on Geeks for Geeks. Run this once. Yeah, so your first, the given string is str, that is hello Abhay. And then second one is after receiving string is, okay, reversing the string is this thing, YAHBA, or the reverse of hello as well. Okay. Third is str and set. That str was hello Abhay, and he was actually converting starting 3 letters into asterisk. So this has been done. Now you want to separate the data. Okay, so let us do one more thing. Let me share my screen, Abhay or Vaibhav. Yes. So Vaibhav, let me share my screen. Let me tell you something. Then again we'll go ahead. Yes. So now after reversing the string, let me put that into a d is equal to this thing. Yeah. So this is what is going to be returned into a variable called b. So what we can do, we can put a condition while b is not equal to null, because \n, right? Till until unless the value of b will not become null, let us try to put and I mean display the result of this b. So wherever the space was available, it will actually convert that entire data into separate words. So let us understand that once. Okay. So yes. So whatever is coming in this, let us print that first. Print f, and we want to print comma, that is b, right? And yes, \n. So what it will do, first of all, the first word, that is hello, will be coming in b, and we will be printing. Okay, will this b will be printing, and then again we need to put the same command, because until or unless this end of string, which means null will be coming up. null will be coming after the entire string, right? As soon as this string will be finished, the last letter will be called as null, right? So till this last letter, this while loop will be running for every single letter. Okay, so b will be increasing automatically and this loop will be automatically running, right? So let us execute it and try to see. It is not working for me. Check in your editor once, Vaibhav. Is that working for you? Is that working for you now?
मैं टैप कर रहा हूँ अभी.
Ha. Hello, how are you should be printing, because this while will be running continuously and whatever will be coming in B is going to be printed. Try to check everyone if it works for you. And I would recommend now for the next class, I would also install any editor and try to practice in your laptop only instead of mobile phone now, if somebody of you are working on mobile phones. Anybody else is trying on laptop directly right now? No. Okay. जब हो जाए बताना एक बार, वैभव. Now entire class is depending upon you.
सर कुछ वार्निंग आ रही है, मैं शेयर करूँ स्क्रीन?
हाँ ठीक है, करना. ओके, कहाँ है रिजल्ट? हाँ अंजलि, जितने भी एडिटर्स हैं वो सब फ्री मिल जाएंगे. Most of the editors, 99% editors for C programming is totally free. So there is a put double quotes once or just remove double quote. Just remove this double quote, just single quote of B. मतलब strpok में single quote की जगह double quotes में लिखना एक बार. Yes.
जी 19th लाइन में.
हाँ दोनों जगह 19 and 23 दोनों जगह डबल कोट्स और उसके बीच में स्पेस देना एक बार. अच्छा एक और चीज करना पड़ेगा. See, now this loop is not going to be ended, right? Yeah. So replace that B, है ना, 23 लाइन में इस B को null से replace कर दो एक बार. 23.
सर 1 मिनट, ये थोड़ा वो क्या अटक गया ये.
ठीक है. हम्म. So you can do one more thing. BFF, instead of this B, because in the last you will get null itself, right? Yes. Anyhow, the last thing after getting conversions, right? After completing the entire string, you will get null only, right? So is B के जगह पे inside the brackets in 23rd line only. Yes. Remove this and put double quotes or single quote and backslash in. Put backslash in. Yes.
अब रन करूं?
हाँ रन करो ना. And you have written double quotes, right? For backslash n, or backslash n एक single letter है, तो put single quote only over there. No?
सर वेट, वो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है जब वो
रन करता है और हैंग हो जाता है क्योंकि वो कंटिन्यूस लूप चल रहा था. Yeah, so you can put here null single quote like this backslash n, and here also try to put single quote only. Single quote in within single quote backslash n means null, or directly you can put, if it works for you, null, whether what, yeah, it works. You can simply replace this with null. It's not taking my input. Yeah, replace that with null, capital, yeah, or single quote double, yeah, backslash n. नीचे भी है. करेक्ट. रन करना एक बार. Did you get some error? No.
यस सर एरर आ रही है strtok में और बैकस्लैश n में.
ओके, सो एक बार बैकस्लैश n को हटा के नल पुट करना. NULL, हाँ, कैपिटल में. सिंगल कोड हटा दो. Null is itself a command for null letter, right? Single को हटा देना. हाँ, perfect. रन करना एक बार. Did it work for you? एक बार रीस्टार्ट करना है इसको ना. It didn't work.
ये रन ही नहीं हो रहा इससे आगे सर.
It should have worked. अच्छा, हेलो अभय है ए के अंदर. ऊपर जाना एक बार, थोड़ा ऊपर करना. बी 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 के अंदर क्या है? नथिंग इज देयर इन बी ना. So instead of B, put str over there, no?
यहाँ पर सर
हाँ हाँ.
str
Yes. Because first time it will take
और
it
यहाँ
from
पर भी.
no B itself. B. यहाँ तो आपको प्रिंट वो करना है जो B के अंदर आएगा, नहीं? So str से स्पेस के बेसिस पे सबसे पहला लेटर जो सेपरेट हुआ वो B के अंदर आया. So let me repeat this, everyone. Just try to listen this. So we had a string that is hello Abhay, in which we are separating this string on the basis of space. So we have hello, right? So that hello will be coming in B first. So it will be checked whether B is null or not. Null means there's no letter inside B. But because we have already checked, because the string was hello, so we will be hello, right? So first of all, based on this space, hello will be coming in B is not null, so we will go inside. Yes, the condition is true. So print F will print that particular thing which is available in B. So first of all, hello will be printed, and then in next line, again the same thing will happen. It will check for null, right? Whether null is coming or not, right? So for null, it will check the condition once again and will put this data into B, right? And this process will be happening again and again. So until or unless we will get null in B, this process will be running. I mean, this while will be running until or unless this null is not going to come in B, and B will be null only if this string is going to be covered, right? So एक बार run करना अब है वैभव. Yeah, this is what we wanted. It worked for us. So hello is separated now with Abhay. Understood? So instead of this hello Abhay, if you will put a long string, will you change your string now? Will you change your string now? Yes. Something little lengthy. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? LNB, something like that. Cool. Perfect. Yeah, so hello, I am learning C with LNB. So every word is going to be separated. Think if this sentence will be long, if it will be a passage. So you need not to do anything big, right? And where do we need this kind of implementation? Let me tell you. Do you know about NLP? There is a technology called natural language processing. So this natural language processing is working for Alexa, Google Assistant, all chatbots, right? जितने भी वेबसाइट पे आप जब ब्राउज करते हो और वहां पे कोई एक पॉपअप आता है एंड देन somebody, some anonymous code is going to be talking with you, right? So जो भी वो reply आ रहे हैं, that is through this NLP. So NLP में एक term है, एक topic है NLP का, that is word phrasing, right? In which if you have a long length of any string, any sentence, then try to break them into small pieces, and based on the meaning of each word, because hello is normal, I am is just a pronoun for you, right? Learning is a good thing. If instead of learning, killing could be the word, right? Killing, so killing is a negative word. So entire, I mean, the meaning of entire sentence will become negative. So you might have heard about sentiment analysis. So entire line or entire phrase, suppose I'm writing a mail to someone and there I'm getting such kind of words. So in machine learning and AI, natural language processing is one of the topic in which this technique is used, right, to separate the word and try to work on these kind of things. And it's not about only NLP. I gave an example for NLP. There are thousands of use cases of this particular process which we have done just now, separating strings or splitting strings, and that can be done through strtok. Is that okay, everyone? We have seen
जी
all the
वैल्यू के एक
commands.
बार दोबारा बता दो strtok
strtok
जो
का
एग्जीक्यूट
पर्पस,
कर रहा है।
हाँ, पर्पस तो समझ में आ गया ना? पर्पस समझ में आया वैभव?
नहीं फिर एक बार और रिपीट कर दो एक बार जरा।
पर्पस है हमें पूरी स्ट्रिंग में से किसी स्पेसिफिक लेटर के बेसिस पे सेपरेट करना पूरी स्ट्रिंग को. सपोज इंस्टेड ऑफ योर लाइक दिस डबल कोड के अंदर आपने दिया है स्पेस, डबल कोड के अंदर स्पेस की जगह पे एक बार देना आई, कैपिटल आई. रन करना एक बार. So based on, no, you need not to put it here. So on the basis of I, it was separating it. And what if internally here, yeah, जहां आपने वैभव ये डबल कोड के अंदर स्पेस है उसको भी हटा दो. Let us put I only. It will check whether I is coming again. So in learning, I is coming up, right? Small, okay, capital I, then okay, no issues. So only two letters must be coming up. Hello, and I'm learning C with LNB. Understood? So purpose is that if you want to separate a string based on any specific letter, जैसे हमने पहले एग्जांपल देखा, yeah, that is a good thing. So either I will copy or Vaibhav, you can copy that into chat box so that it can be helpful for other people as well. Yeah, so the purpose is एक किसी भी बड़े पैसेज में से, स्ट्रिंग में से, किसी लेंथ में से, किसी सेंटेंस में से हमें कोई एक स्पेसिफिक लेटर के बेसिस पे सेपरेट करना है, राइट? एंड दैट कैन बी डन थ्रू दिस strtok. How it is functioning, let me tell you about it. First of all, we have got a variable b in which the result is going to be stored. So what will be the result? First of all, it will check, strtok will check where this I is coming up. So there'll be a pointer. This pointer will be increasing from the first location and it will check for the letter called I. And as soon as we'll get I, whatever was available earlier, whatever is being checked, that will be copied to a variable called b. So जो letter हैं HELLO space, these 6 letters will be copied to B, and now we have gone inside because we know here the searching is not going to be stopped because there's a long length of this string. Instead of this while B become null, you can do one more thing. You can check the length of this string. You can check the length of the string, and you can run this while loop for the length of this particular string also. But what we have done, we are checking because B is a particular pointer. So we have got hello space in this B. So B is not null. Yes, we have gone inside because we have to we want to check the rest of the string as well. So we have printed whatever was available in B first, and that was hello, right? Suppose we are talking
Yes sir,
about
clear हो गया.
space. समझ में आया ना? तो and this while will be running
पूरा clear हो गया.
continuously, and strtok will solve the purpose जो हम लोग चाहते थे. ठीक है ना?
यस सर. सर एक बार ये जो बाकी 4 जो है ये प्रिंटअप वाले, इनको भी रन करा के बाकी पूरा भेज दूंगा आपको फिर.
हाँ पूरा चलाओ, चलो हटाओ इसको सब कुछ. Remove these lines, these slash. Yes. Perfect. VS Code is quite slow, man. It's something big. And just to ignore this VS Code, I did not use it.
Sir, processor slow, i3
yeah, that is also a reason. Yes. However, the application is quite big also. So the given string is hello, I am learning C with LNB. This was the first sentence. Then after reversing the string, this BLNL space something like that. Then the third command, which has replaced n number of letters, which means 3 letters from the string. It was str n set str comma asterisk comma 3. Then this was the result, right? Then he did not put backslash in. Yes. So now we want to separate this, learn and build. Nothing has happened for this, I guess. Nothing has happened for learn and build. And then because the initial string that we have given, what is this? Because you have changed that thing reverse one into another variable maybe. Because the reverse thing is coming up.
Sir, 17th line को comment out कर दूं?
That is not solving a purpose for us. Remove this. Even you can remove this because ठीक है cool. एक बार फिर वापस रन करना. Yeah, now it's okay, but the things are coming in reverse. And it is because you got a result in B. Where did you get it? Okay, because str has got reversed now. See here in this command, in the second one, your result has got reversed. str has got reversed, right? And now because you are operating on str only, just try to understand this, everyone. From your second line here, after reversing, not receiving, after reversing, a string is equal to asterisk, sorry, percentile s, then str rev within bracket str. Wait. Yeah. So here in the second line, not on the ninth line, Vaibhav. Yes, you can do this exactly. strx. Here you can put strx. And similar, no, in the next line also, in the next line also, in 16th line, in 16th line. Yes, that should be str access. Yeah, now this is perfect. Even you could have done this thing, this operation as well. Which one? That str dup, where you could have copied or made a duplicate of the first string only, because str or strx both are same. Now this is perfect.
तो
You did
ये
not
एक्स्ट्रा
use,
लाइन का क्यों आ रहा है?
huh?
ये एक्स्ट्रा लाइन का क्यों आ रहा है? जैसे आई एम लर्निंग सी, इनके बीच में गैप आ रहा है ना, एक्स्ट्रा लाइन मुझे क्यों आ रहा है?
एक्स्ट्रा लाइन का गैप क्योंकि आपने वो बैक स्लैश एन दिया हुआ है डबल डबल टाइम प्रिंट के अंदर। ठीक है, डन आई गेस somehow with some जुगाड़ पंती we did something, we were able to
सर ये क्यों आ रहा है?
Okay, str I'm learning hello. Okay, hello is coming up. So this hello is the reverse of str only. Wait. Str is the reverse. What is the length of this entire string? Make it some more, I mean, just increase the value here. Say 100, both of the places. Yes. Run it once. Again, same thing, hello. Yeah, now this is okay. Now this is okay. Because you have already made 3 letters of str as asterisk. Yes or no? In 17th line. In 17th line, yes. You have converted that into asterisk basically. And that is the reason. And I mean, try to put that backslash and after percentile s. Yes. Yeah, it's cool now. Perfect. It will come in new line. However, it will be a triple asterisk because you have already converted str, right? I hope I hope I mean the compilation and the purpose of doing or using these commands is solved. Is that okay?
यस और पूरा सही है ना सर? कोई
हाँ,
प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है इसमें?
ये नहीं चला है. Again, you have to try it, I guess. Can you listen me? Are you available? Today we just checked these 4 commands only. We did not left with the time limit to discuss the project. Well, we'll discuss this project tomorrow, and tomorrow only we have to start that project, right? Until or unless we'll not complete that project, we'll not move ahead with the next topic. However, the next topic is quite interesting and complex also. It is used in many applications, and the topic is recursion. So we'll move on the next topic, onto the next topic only once we'll complete at least first project based on the knowledge which we have got in last couple of lectures or classes in those basic topics, right, of functions, maybe strings, arrays, right, loops, conditional statements, right, whatever we have learned so far, we'll go at least to implement something with that knowledge, right, and then we'll move further. Let us test our knowledge now. Okay, So we'll move further tomorrow, and we'll come back once again at the same time. If you have some question, please ask. Otherwise, I'll just quit this meeting just now. Do you have any question? Any question, anyone? No? Anjali and other people, Ashwani. Any question, anyone? No? Okay, then tomorrow we'll meet at the same time, 8:30. Till then, enjoy. Bye bye.